So let's say you're curious to know your login history in Wix. Then I'm going to show you how you can quickly view this. And this is going to also show you your login devices as well. So whether or not you want to know if someone else have access to your account or you just want to see the login history. This is how you check it. You log into Wix, click your account on the upper right, then click on account settings. Once you're under the account settings section, guys, you want to scroll down and you will find a login activity. Here you can find a login activity. Here you'll find a device that you currently log in with. And it will also show the browsers and and the current session, which is date and the location. So this gives you a lot of information right here to be able to quickly identify if this was you or not. Right? One of the cool things is that you can even log out of on devices if you realize that your account has been logged into multiple devices that you can't even recognize or remember if it's you or not. Right, but to view your login history, here you have on the lower left hand side this little link here. You click on that, you get a pop up, and you'll find your login history right here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.